Hello mga kabisda.
Very weird. Okay, clap your hands! Shake the knee. Smile. Smile.
Ako na pindot. May Beshi Jari. Oh, say hi. For today's mga kabistak, gagala kami sa ano. Kasi, Eid Mubarak today. So karon, gamay na lang ang tao. Kay dito na kabisado. Meron po ganito dito.
Kaya bili mo sa akin.
Kano ba bili ko dito?
Hindi ham.
45 yan. Here na kami sa Lulu. Daming tao. Kami sa Johara. Mga gold.
Bibili ba kayo?
So kanina dito kami sa ano, sa perfume man. Ito si ate. Say hi ate. Meron ka ba siya shout out?
Shout out!
Ayan. Tititi kami ng ano, mga perfume.
Hindi ako ng ulam.
Ha?
Hindi ako ng ulam sa luto.
Walang
Andun na si
sabi.
Kim kanina eh. Ha? Andun na si Kim.
Walang ano, bigay sa inyo? Walang pamigay?
Anong pamigay?
Mga pagkain.
Wala.
Wala?
Si Ting pa nga nagbigay ng KFC.
Ito si ano? Si Dina.
Nagpo-cornish daw.
Ah, nag-corn
Sana
sila.
all. Cornish. Ano po, oh.
Tupa ka ng office. Nakatulog ka pa naman. Ito si ate, yung store nila, Silverstone.
May bakante pa kami doon. Ng mga bakla.
Pasok ka dun, i-video kita. I-video. Hi, how are you? O sige, post ka dun. Kunwari mag-ano-ano ka.
Hindi na lang payo.
Store for abaya, all abaya.
Oh, yes. Siya lang yung nabaya.
All abaya.
Maliit pa ako.
Eid Mubarak.
Dalawang araw yan?
Sana all.
Ganti lang yan.
Kahapon nag-absent ako. Nagsikip ako. Pakabak lahat. Ate.
Good guys. Ito yung mga sa Johara. Hindi ilang mga kuan guys. Mga gold. Mamili tawag mga perfume. Pabango. Yan here guys, para kuan. Magpabango sa ilang perfume. 40 dirham. Society. Nasilay.
Ay, na YSL.
Force Adidas. 25 dirham. Ito. France, 200. Dili na ko bet.
Ang Escada ko yan. Which one ka ba yung RB?
60. Mas Max. 60. Naka-offer sila sa Ramadan. Sa Eid. $85. Mo siya makita, oy.
Hoy, Besh, ano sinasabi mong scent? Anong scent ang...
Iskada? Iskada, where?
This one.
Kabila. Oo, ito yun. Where's the Iskada? This one? Oh. So, magpa-perfume tayo. Kumot siya, guys.
That's the best one, kuya.
Pag-guess ko ka nag-t-shirt. Guess.
Which one you will recommend me? I buy one bottle B.
One bottle if you like this one, you can use this. If you like this one, you can use. Then you want
Versace.
my way, like 30 million, okay.
Versace.
Yeah, I will try this Lady Million and that, my way.
Okay. Okra one,
Bombshell.
yeah, bombshell.
Can I check?
This one, 30 million.
Lady Million. Oh, nice. Like candy.
30 million, this one.
Oh.
The other,
Kumot siya, guys. Amoy siya candy.
my way,
Pangalan.
my way.
Lady Million. Lady Million. Grabe siya kahumot, mga kabisdak. Here only, Abu Dhabi. Oh.
My perfume.
My way. My way. Chloe.
I want that one. Ano yung pabango namin ni M?
Chloe, this one, normal one, not black.
Ha?
Chloe have 4 5 kinds, not only one kind.
Which cover is this one?
Kumot siya.
Chloe.
I want to buy first that one, Chloe. I want to test and then I will buy.
Good. How much?
Gusto mo?
10, 20.
10 first. I will test first kuya in my room.
Okay.
And then I will try which one
No
long lasting.
problem, no problem.
Then I will tell you when I will buy. Maybe
How much that one, brother?
This one 10 dirham only.
10 dirham.
Only 10 dirhams.
Show.
A special price for you.
Wow.
Yeah.
Can I see? 10
10
dirham.
dirhams, oil based.
Oil base. Pure oil.
Pure oil. Yes.
Oh, nice.
Of course.
and then I will
Good.
also
Yeah, I can put it all. You can use it.
Oh.
Make one good gift wrap. Yes.
give me first one more.
Try mo yung Lady Million.
80 million. Okay.
Anybody like?
Lady Million also mabago
Yes.
siya.
Then one lady will be on.
Mupalit siya og kuan. Lady Million. Awa.
How much for me? Paano mo ba yung Escada?
No. Lady Million.
Lady Million.
Wow.
That one I will choose. Another one.
Another one I give to you.
Which one good ba?
My way.
If you want another one, we can.
Chloe. Pure, kuan siya mga kabisda.
You like
Pure
new,
oil.
New edition.
What's that?
What's
Pure
the
oil base. What's the name? Imperial
Imperial
Valley.
Yes, sir.
Ah, yung G siya.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Nice.
This is Arabic ba ba? Hindi ba like in the Philippines?
I will.
Ito bet ko. Bet ko si Lady Million.
Lady Million. If you like another kind, Gucci Flora.
Try.
Very nice. Gucci Flora.
Check natin. Check.
No, sorry,
Ay.
Gucci Bloom.
Di ko bet.
You like? Okay, give the other one. Gucci floor.
Oh, oil-based na tanan, guys. Oil-based.
See, I don't know what to choose now.
This one,
I give to you. The one you like, the one this year. Give
Ay, the one also, maganda yun, di ba?
the one.
The one.
Dolce and Gabbana.
Yeah. Dolce and Gabbana.
The one. Check, check. Di, ayoko mag, ano na, oil-based. Bango! Humot siya. Grabe ka humot.
Good girl if you like.
Yeah, that's nice.
Huh? So nice. Good girl you like.
I think you try this one.
Good
Huh?
girl.
Good girl. Ay,
Yeah. This.
ay, good girl.
You have smaller than this one, Baba?
Smaller the head.
Tanawa siya, guys,
I will
oh.
try because
Grabe
I
siya ka
want-
oil-based.
Which one?
Where's the smaller one?
Good girl.
It's not good. You were telling me you like this one.
Ha?
I don't appreciate. Can you just put later, Baba? A little. I don't smell.
You put this.
Musimot sa taog. Coffee ba ni?
No.
This could be
Coffee? Okay. Oh, musimot taog coffee. Para mawala ang
Okay, Baba.
amoy.
One more, Baba. Give me.
O musinghot tag coffee, guys, para mawala tong imo mga nasinghot nga mga pabango. So, singhot tag coffee. Grabe ka humot ng coffee.
This one is the
one. This.
Singhot na nato ang good
One
girl.
is feather. One if you like.
Humot siya
For men.
for men.
it's long lasting, Baba.
Explosive. Dual swords. 1 million.
Ang humot siya. Sauvage. YSL
Cool water.
Sauvage. 1 million.
Here.
Yes, sir. Here I have
Cold water. Ang ganda.
1 million.
Humot din siya.
Then these words. Best. No best seller. First moving also. Together.
Ano ba?
Sarabi.
No. Look at it.
Cold water.
Yeah.
Nakabango niyan. Singhot sa oy, oh. Oh, singhot na.
Okay, give me. I will try this one YSL,
YSL.
Baba, and the other one.
10. Okay.
Type only, Baba. I want this
Right.
only. Otherwise, I will buy. Give me this one.
Singhot mo og coffee kung
I will buy later to you. Inshallah, Baba. I will
kung
try.
magsinghot mo og mga pabango, like mga oil-based or any kind of perfume, kung dili ninyo masinghot tong iyang aroma or ang iyang amoy ba sa mga perfume,
This one.
masinghot mo og
Why?
coffee, guys. Mga kabisdak, singhot mo coffee na.
Other
Tapos,
one. Ano
Cold
yung
water? No.
this one or this one?
kini siya,
Very nice. So
Muslim
these words
hotel.
is new.
humot. Grabe siya kahumot.
These words. Very nice.
What?
Then there is a cold water. Old collection.
Okay, so much.
You need some new collection.
So nakapalit ko, guys, mga kabisdak.
Around
Kapalit kong duha.
200. For this.
Oil-based di siya. Bisag imo labhan ang imong t-shirt, imong damit, dili siya mawala.
You will be okay. I will message you if I want to order.
Thank you!
See you.
Eid Mubarak! So nakapalit kami og perfume. Oh, ano pa bilhin mo? Ha? O dito. Lain-lain akong kuan, guys. Akong smell. Mga kabisdak. So, mga nami, guys.
Alam mo nga dito?
Ay, dito. Try dito.